So I've just bought this on eBay for £20. It was listed as working, the motor working, but not the generator. Talking to the guy, he's used it for about a quarter of an hour running a Hoover, and then it just stopped working, so he bought a 4-stroke suitcase generator instead and put this on eBay. And I made an offer 20 quid and he accepted, so I picked it up and here it is. Let's start it up. As you can see, it doesn't work, and presumably the governor is running off the voltage maybe, as it's not getting up to wherever it's running like the clappers. However, when I brought it back I did notice this. So 4 10mm hex head bolts, takes the fuel tank off. That's about 3 litre maybe. And this is yeah, the shonky wiring. So, oh, it's linked. Nope. That's the coil. There's a switch going into something, I can't quite tell. Probably the points or something in there. Right. What's that attached to? What's this? Dunno. I don't know what this is. Exhaust, engine, the panel, air filter. Yep, not much in there. No carbs down there. Oh, there's governor there. What's guarding this thing? Oh, inside there. Mechanical governor. What does that do? The fuck? Oh, that spring is just to provide resistance to the choke plate. Yeah. Bloody hell. The fuck is that? So that was mounted here. It's a cap, and it's so that's okay. There's a locating pin for some reason to go in there. Probably they don't think it's going to fit well, so they do that to stop it spinning. This one's not potted at all, and the enamel is scraped through. It's pretty close. Yeah, it's right up against the housing. I wonder if it's been arcing. That's a big one there. That's cut right through. I think this thing's vibrated itself and arced. That is... where is that? That's down here somewhere. I'm not seeing any marks though. So that's by the foot. Didn't notice that bolt was long. No sign marking there. No, I don't think it's that. But it's by the foot. I'm seeing a black mark there. Ooh, we got a broken one there. This coil's broke. And where's the other end of it? I think I can see it. Yeah, this winding is knackered. I wonder what the other one's like, if I can get to it. Okay, so this was kind of confusing me for a while, because if it will focus, I was trying to find the end of this one and I just couldn't see it, but I have just found it after cutting these retaining straps. This bit here was right next. Oh, it's better if I use a pointer. Where is it? Focus. Focus. Okay. This wire here was right against one of these. Oh, this one here. And it just looked like it was a continuous bit of wire until I prized it up and found that. And that's the only break I can find. Now if we look at this winding, there's a lot of crap there, but I don't quite see how it was able to, not erode, but rub against the casing. I did notice the bolts, where are they? That ran from that casing through to here were quite loose. They were easy to undo, so maybe whilst it was on the floor the whole case was doing that, and there was enough movement that caused that. But apart from that, I don't see how it could happen. If we look at the top, it doesn't exactly hang out that much. Not entirely keen on that placement, but just don't want to get close to the enamel. I'll try and align it a bit better. I just don't also want to cut another strap. I could always epoxy it, but I just can't be arsed. This might just come apart anyway. Probably would. Hard to tell with the light now, but that's it there. It's an absolute pain in the arse to do. It's aluminium wiring. This stuff was not working. Presumably, I don't think it's flux core to be. No, I don't think it's flux core. Which might be why. So I tried this which I don't usually use because it's lead free. I hate lead free solder. But at least got it to that, so I can at least test this after I've insulated that and staked it and done something about these to prevent arcing. I think I'll use a mixture of that, which is MS polymer, and that, which is fabric electrical tape. Should use that, but I can't be bothered because I think this is a 24-hour stuff. So put MS polymer over this thin skin, fabric tape insulating that join, and wrapped it round, and then MS polymer over pretty much all of that section there. That should set off pretty soon. Yeah, that's some cheap shit.